In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a new line on WhatsApp Web, providing you with a full guide for 2025. Whether you're using a Windows, Linux, or Mac system, this step-by-step tutorial will ensure you can format your messages exactly as you want them without accidentally sending them prematurely. First, let's begin by opening WhatsApp Web. Simply head to your preferred web browser and type in web.whatsapp.com. You should see the familiar WhatsApp interface load onto your screen, assuming you're already signed in. If not, follow the prompt to scan the QR code with your mobile WhatsApp app to gain access. Now, with WhatsApp Web open, let's start typing your message. As you compose your thoughts, you might find yourself wanting to create a new paragraph or a line break for better readability or emphasis. Here's where the magic comes in. If you're using a Windows or Linux computer, pressing Shift and Enter simultaneously will insert a new line without sending the message. For Mac users, the process is the same, except you will press Shift and Return. This simple shortcut allows you to separate your ideas within a single message, making communication much clearer. If you find the constant use of keyboard shortcuts a bit cumbersome, there's another method you can use by adjusting your WhatsApp web settings. To modify this setting, click on the three-dot icon commonly known as the menu button, usually found at the top left or right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to Settings and then select the Chat option. Within Chat Settings, you'll see an option labeled Enter is Send. By default, this might be checked, meaning pressing Enter sends your message. Simply uncheck this option. Once you've unchecked Enter is Send, your Enter key will now function as a standard line break key. This change will allow you to add new lines with just a single Enter key press, providing more flexibility with the formatting of your text. However, with this configuration, you'll need to manually send your messages by either clicking the Send button, which looks like a paper plane icon, or by using a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, you can simply press Ctrl and Enter together and your message will be sent. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to entering a new line on WhatsApp Web, tailored to both keyboard shortcut enthusiasts and those preferring a straightforward settings tweak. Each method allows you to control the structure of your messages with ease, making your communication more effective and personalized. By now, you should feel confident in managing your text formatting, tailoring your WhatsApp experience to match your own communication style. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.